Welcome everyone, I hope all of you are doing well. In this video I am going to talk about anatomy of the stomach. So first I am going to define the stomach. It is a muscular distended part of the GIT which store and digest the food. The dilated part of the digestive tract which store and digest the food. So this is the definition of the stomach. What is the location of the stomach? The stomach is present in the left upper part of the abdomen. What is the shape of the stomach? Here you can see the stomach is a J shape. The size of the stomach is about 25 centimeter long. It is about 25 centimeter long. Now the volume of the adult stomach is normally about 2 liters. The stomach is muscular, so it can be extended and the volume can be increased. Now the orifices, there are two orifices. One is the cardiac orifice. Here you can see in which the esophagus is open into the stomach. The other is the pyloric orifice in which the pylorus of the stomach is open into the duodenum. So there are two orifices. What are the curvature of the stomach? Here you can see this is one curvature which is present on the right of the stomach, and this is the other curvature which is present on the left of stomach. This small curvature of the stomach is the lesser curvature which actually form the right border of the stomach, and here you can see this large curvature is called a greater curvature which form the left border of the stomach. What are the surfaces? There are two surfaces. Here you can see this is the interior surface, and the surface behind the interior surface is the posterior surface. So there are two surfaces of the stomach. What are the parts of the stomach? The stomach is divided mainly into the fundus part of the stomach. Here you can see this is the cardiac part of stomach in which the esophagus is open. A line is drawn from the cardiac part up to the greater curvature, and the part above this line is the fundus part of the stomach. Here is a notch which is called the cardiac notch, and here there is a notch on the lesser curvature. Here you can see this is the angular notch. A line is also drawn from the angular notch up to the greater curvature. So the part of the stomach between these two lines is called the body of the stomach. Here you can see this is the body of the stomach. Below from this line up to the duodenum, this is the pyloric part of the stomach. The canal of the pyloric part of the stomach is called the pyloric canal. Now, what are the attachment of the stomach? Here you can see is the greater omentum which is attached to the greater curvature of the stomach. Here the extension of the greater omentum which attached to the spleen, which is called the gastrosplenic ligament, but I have not drawn here. Here you can see on the lesser curvature there is a ligament attached to the lesser curvature of the stomach, and here it is attached to the liver. So this ligament is called hepatogastric ligament. This is called a hepatogastric ligament. And there is a ligament attached here to the duodenum and here to the liver. This is called a hepatoduodenal ligament. And hepatoduodenal ligament and the hepatogastric ligament is collectively called as the lesser omentum. Now this is the liver. Here you can see this is the left lobe of the liver and this is the right lobe of the liver, and these lobes are actually formed by the falciform ligament. This falciform ligament divides the liver into left lobe and right lobe, and here you can see the small sac-like portion is called a gallbladder. This is attached to the inferior surface of the liver. What is the function of the stomach? The function of the stomach is to receive the food from the esophagus, and here the food is stored for a while, and some food are also digested, and then this food is proceed to the small intestine where it further digest, and some of them is absorbed and other are excreted in the form of feces. So this was all about the anatomy of the stomach. For more video, subscribe, like and share. So thanks for watching the video.